Bia Kamal ka Nuer online TV channel to kon ka lermi bu kon lingwaseme lerme be ray wicca ka Jonglei state Bor ray wicca ka South Sudan an ler bana linga kan konotin mi jira majidit gore janojin bi subscribe mnyodo de chonkel ke de Nuer online TV channel de support me bu kon linga jan gwaseme ler mishalat ray wicca ka Jonglei an ler mo breaking news chala do nene Chadich SSPDF, Ladich South Sudan People Defense Force, South Sudan People Defense Force jen wa chaje yen a police ni ndo badana yan ke jamo yan ke je ka dwer mishalat an dwer mo che jako baje yen a jen bu kono kula ladon tema wa do yan ke je gwasme jen sharan che janak karam mo ramkel kanidin contextual ke gangster ni ke gang ke nekane and de SSPDF mo che gang member che janak rewe ka Jonglei Bor chwaje yena police ni ka dweren chalat ban mandana le roda ban je kule linkel adoba dien yan ka jamo ke ngum che to ka kane ku chal ka gang to ne ke netin kon tila ngene tin choro gang ne kaman chalat gwasame ame bu kon kula gwasame men yan ka jam la police ne tintire wacce ka South Sudan awaken ka shanga diok chikan ngaje no wate ke nei ala dol ti chinyen te gang ne re wuchen wine mi shiga nyenyo ala gang ne ka group ni ken ko ken ka bon chi bona me chi bon do dien che jamak en bonan chamak wa charam kel chaje yet ka sakin mi cha yi sakino ram moment cha yi ka sakin ram yi zan ga sakin cho kulo no ngoje je lo bara roda me jene bara roda mo she would me la ditch SSPDF ko logo chunga shoje sho berka mach an gwase mo sho ram mo sho nak ka kan gang member cho ditch SSPDF mo cho chu kep ko chamache yat ko ramadan men chiran yet ke sakin men wa kapka ka ngoje je cho berka sho nak ajen roba danan yan ke wudamo men la ditch SSPDF ka kwiko che gang amo michiran yes ka sakino cheje berka maj ka shoje shunak adi ga me tuogare wicha ka Jonglei state waken gang nititi wachi kan ono nena kanade kan hospital dare wike Jonglei state ade kanadak ko jan gwazdan ndong wa korre ci to kam dien ci kanono de kan dak an gwazamo ko ken ci katiro de alaka ki guru mu joro alaka gwada nyin kantin alanne ititi la geng no goda na ci nyinya wa ken e gor kan dong de ga kwak de kan ga kwal ke de kan ka mach jan do bada dong chure mo ci tok chwa polin chwa yo jaga wina mo gwada dan nyingatin man le drore jene ala geng ne rewich ka South Sudan ka do bada shalat ke je wa riudien ne karudin karo en pol en SSPDF soldier kwale chakul yene wa yanje ko jen charante nan duncha ber jene dong chaje den nak chanje lengwa de me ka do bada shalat ke je ka tok English milling tok English be chogwa ko be shulinga gwaba. According to the report, police in South Sudan's Jonglei state said on Wednesday it has arrested a soldier belonging to the South Sudan People Defense Force linked to the killing of a gang member in Bor town. In an attempt to break up the violence between Black Warrior and West Coast group, ala gang ken ka group dangro. Black Warrior ken West Coast ala ken gang ten tere wujin winimi. At Bor town, Marol, main market on Tuesday, the South Sudan People Defense Force soldier reportedly shot one gang member to death. Speaking uh, on Wednesday, John Bandak, Jonglei State Police Commissioner, said the dead was slain after he stabbed a group member. The fighting erupted yesterday after a group of gangs fought during the fight. One of the gangs stabbed another one with knife and ran away, and the security personnel tried to arrest him, and he ran away. Then the soldier for SSPDF fired at him with the gun. Say Bandak. Say back. The security tried to rush the deceased to the hospital, but he passed away at the hospital. But the police came in and maintained the security in the market, and the SSPDF soldier has been arrested by his unit. According to Bak, the major market was closed after a gang group attempt to break into the main hospital in Jonglei State. The same crew member tried to enter the hospital by force, and we sent the police personnel to disperse them from the gangs. This is where the trader think these people are coming to loot the market again. He went on to say that police had started an investigation to find out what caused the violence and that 16 gang members had been arrested. He advised the parents to raise their children with the prudence, adding that those detained will remain in police custody until they change. I am telling the parents that they should not complain when their children are harmed by the security personnel, because we are repeating our call to the parent. We are going to take these gangs to far place once we arrest them. Say back. Kan police in rai wika jonglei chane de content to which pindian let kalan muga pan along ana ala ridi ne joga chalat gwas me ala geng ne kagat te ka maniken te ka gwanaken pan ngode la kariena goro no buguru ne karodien la police la kan shone shiang chol ken manne gan kan gwanaken o gat kun kab ka ngeje ka gwa chanok men jigen gulo to batam ga jan gwas mi kana jogana ne men bene lariya chine gur no be ran chi mane geng te ba komplan no te ga gara me sha nak te ga gara me amoy ga bot ko ken pelken wi chara ngai ken ka la ka chwal ne chiang bien kulu ya be yom chire ke ben mi chire ke gol ben ka jan geng mo ke ga dun ne shimi jek che la de be akulu ben te mu gur yen ngu ka lang yen chiang ku mo ga kuna langa ke chilet ti je ka chi ken galat chi galat kur ti ashol karu den geng ne ti nyenga tin yet karu den ga sakine karun mi chao charan mo kare garun buran ben to cha gade ke nya de cha mo kare name agenda na shala de kan police in tray we ka Jonglei State chikala do ken gangs members cha ne ti shokwal bakkel ga cha ga captain lo cha kep ka ken ba ka yen ba ga nang we do den ko buran kan lat ka je chikan bi tray we ba ga nang guardian ba ko latin na kuma ko ken che ken ko de ran len ro de ka ki de len South Sudan ka ala we dugno na kan ro den karo akwa pelra ma cha na ga SSPDF ma cha yen ne unit den ko en de jame ajene luaga na ko kap ka je bat charan che o tware je pen che nang ne je ken geng de ti wa ken kwel kan kwak let ken ti je ka longa nyi ka rodien kan na karo ka kan to ka ga de ti ne tla ngwane re wi ka South Sudan ma sha oro ina ga shi man ken ti shi man ken ti kan ling bran kula ben yo shirek che ben ne me jen dan le ro re wi ka Jonglei State cha ram kel cha janak dech ka cha ramadan en nagra la de jamo cha je yen ka gwe ke jen o she dwera ko ka bane shwara mo ka banje chong chang sorry she chwar ka bane geng mo mi cha ber shi kulu jaram dan charan yet ka sakin ano cho chu ngoy lugo kap ke je apoline cho chu ber ngwa da mo wa jen dan en chor lar na mo ani jen gwa dan de kon chong tin nywa ka ne ko kien bi ataka mal bye bye